Before the rotors spin, before the helicopter lifts, power is awakened. This sound doesn't transport troops, it hunts targets. This is the Bell AH-1 Cobra. The AH-1 Cobra was the world's first purpose-built attack helicopter. Slim, fast, deadly. Designed to escort, protect, and destroy. No passengers, only firepower. Startup is not a button press. It's a sequence. Fuel flow, ignition, turbine rotation. Every sound tells the pilot one thing: the aircraft is coming alive. Power flows upward, from engine to transmission to rotors. The Cobra's narrow profile reduces drag and increases speed. Takeoff is controlled aggression. Torque rises, skids get light, and suddenly, the ground releases its grip. The battlefield awaits. Anti-armor, close air support, escort missions. The Cobra flies low and lethal. It was built to fight with ground forces, not above them. Understanding startup and takeoff reveals the discipline of combat aviation, why sequences matter, how power is controlled, and how attack helicopters survive. Knowledge creates respect. The Bell AH-1 Cobra didn't just fly, it defined attack helicopter warfare. If you want more iconic military aviation moments, subscribe now, like the video, share it, and tell us in the comments, is the AH-1 Cobra the most iconic attack helicopter ever built?